Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MGM Plus on Apple TV instant guide step by step clearly. To activate MGM Plus on Apple TV, start by ensuring your device is connected to the internet. Navigate to your Apple TV home screen. Locate the App Store icon and select it. In the App Store, use the search function at the top of the screen. Type in MGM Plus and select the app from the search results. Choose the Get or Download button to install the app on your device. Once installation is complete, return to your home screen. Find the MGM Plus app icon and select it to open the application. You will see a welcome screen with options to log in or create a new account. If you already have an MGM Plus account, select the Login option. Enter your email address and password, then select Sign In. If you do not have an account, choose the option to create it. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your new account. You may need to confirm your email address by checking your inbox. Once logged in, you may be prompted to activate your subscription. If required, follow the instructions to link your payment method. After completing the activation, explore the app to find your favorite content. Now you are ready to enjoy MGM Plus on your Apple TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.